Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can post on Tumblr. So let's get started. Firstly, open Tumblr app in your device. Then tap on pencil-like icon. Next, write anything you want. You can also add photos if you want from the photo-like icon. Then add some hashtags or tags. After that, you can see the option of post at top right corner of your screen. Tap on it, then wait for a while. Next, tap on your profile icon. Then refresh your profile once. So, this is how you can post on Tumblr. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.